Hi everyone, my name is Adam Crahen and welcome to my course, Tableau Desktop Playbook, Building Common Chart Types. I'm the head of Data Visualization Engineering here at Pluralsight. I am also a 2018 Tableau Zen Master and a co-founder of the data visualization blog, thedataduo.com. Tableau is one of the world's most popular data visualization tools and is consistently ranked as a leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant for BI and analytics platforms. Tableau helps people see and understand their data, but you need to know the why and the how behind data and analytics in order to be effective. In this course, we are going to build or enhance your data visualization toolkit and equip you with the knowledge you need to be successful in the world of analytics. Some of the major topics we will cover include presenting distributions and comparisons of data using bar charts, presenting data over time with line charts, and learning how to unlock additional context with statistical, non-standard, and advanced charts. By the end of this course, you will know how to read, build, and format over 35 different charts. Along the way, you will learn foundational and advanced concepts that are essential when working with Tableau. These concepts will give you the knowledge to know what Tableau is going to draw on the canvas before you even drag and drop a pill, and it will empower you to be successful when communicating about data with your users. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Tableau Desktop's primary purpose, have a general knowledge of navigating through the tool, and know how to connect to your data. Having a basic analytics acumen would be helpful, but if you are a beginner, you can still be successful with this course. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about data visualization with the Tableau Desktop Playbook, Building Common Chart Types course at Pluralsight.